slums of Shaolin, Wu-Tang Clan strikes again. The RZA, the Jizza, Old Dirty Bastard, Inspector Deck, Raekwon the Chef, U-Guard, Ghostface Killer, and the Method.
M-E-T-H-O-D, man. M-E-T-H-O-D, man. M-E-T-H-O-D, man. M-E-T-H-O-D, man. Hey, you, get off my cloud. You don't know me and you don't know my style. Who be getting planned when they come to a jam? Here I am, the Method Man. Patty cake, hey, the Method Man. No need skip, beat Jim or Peter Pan. Peanut butter, cause I'm not butter. In fact, I snap back like a rubber man. I be Sam I am, and I don't eat green eggs and ham. Style to hit ya when it got there. You'll be like, oh shit, that's the jam. Turn it up, now hear me get wild. I'm about to blow, light me up. Upside down, side, inside and outside. Hitting you from every angle, there's no doubt. The one and only Method Man, the master of the plan, rapping shit like Sharan. Rap with some of this and some of that. Hold on, what? I thought I throw a putty cat over there, but I think he bets to beware of the diggy dog shit right here. Yippee, yeah, yo, like the acceptance in your average flow. Coming like, ooh, she gone. Got me hanging like a sofa, baby, ball. The poetry's emotion, coast to coast, rub it on your skin like lotion. What's the commotion? Oh my lord, another corn chop by the Wu-Tang sword. Hey, like that. It's the Method Man, ain't no bands about it. It's the Method, right, y'all. Get your White House, get your meth, get your skins. Don't forget your orty, and we gon' do it like this. I got fat bags and skulls. I got White House guns, and I'm about to go get lifted. Yes, I'm about to go get lifted. I got myself a 40, I got myself a shorty, and I'm about to go and stick it. Yes, I'm about to go and stick it. H-U-F-F, hop, and I pop, flow like snow when the cold winds blow. Then soon I hit the mic like boom. But it's all about it like the here and there I go. Question, what exactly is a bunny raider? Behavior, savior, or major flavor? All of the above, oh yeah, plus I do so. Also flam in the man, call me super. Not an average Joe with an average flow, do an average thing with average hoes. Yo,